We're here, on the side of El Capitan.
Deep in the bush.
Deep in the bush. And we see a small, swift swallow. We're not scientists, so we don't know. It seems to be trying to feed on the grasses that we've peed on. I do believe that's the only nourishment these small birds get.
What real day's daylight? Flying around the captain like it's nothing.
They use the vertical updrafts to soar around the captain with very little effort. He seems to be very interested in us. By far the closest Scotland I've ever got to nature.
Most dangerous swallow I've ever seen.
This is also known as the world's most dangerous swallow. When provoked, they will fly and peck at your eyes.
Yeah, baby!
The small swallow does not seem to be affected by the aggressive noises. The swallow seems to be nibbling on a small bug. How in the fuck is it standing on that little bit of grass?
Fashion a lasso.
What's up, bro? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Please land on my hand. Please land on my hand, dude. Come back. You almost just landed on my hand. Hi, Kelly! Ow! Kelly Costello! Ooh, ooh, ooh!
Well, that was quite an experience.